In this video, let us see how to set up the Hermes AI agent and create the WhatsApp chatbot. And the cool feature of this Hermes AI agent is that you can also interact with this by voice chat. You consider I am sending a voice message and we got the response as well. For those of you who don't know the Hermes AI agent, it's an AI agent very similar to the OpenRouter, but it has better memory by default. It tends to remember past interactions and context more effectively than OpenRouter, and it also has the self-learning skills. So I have already made a video about how to set up this Hermes AI agent for Telegram. So this video is for how to set up this for WhatsApp. So let's just continue. So this is the Hermes AI agent website. As usual, you need to have the WSL enabled on your machine. So if you don't have the WSL enabled on your machine, then you can try this on the Linux. For Linux, you can install this by using a single command, that is they have provided that curl command. But if you are using the Windows, you need to have the WSL enabled. So I have already made the video on how to enable this WSL on Windows and install the Ubuntu. If you haven't checked this video, I will provide the link of this video in the description. You can check that out. So I have already enabled in my system. So what I will do is I will open up my command prompt and let me switch to Ubuntu. So this is the feature that WSL enable us. You can install Ubuntu in your Windows machine and you can run all the Linux commands. So what I will do is I will switch to the root user. Sudo switch. So let me go to the root user now. You can consider currently I am the root user. Then you can go to the website and copy the installation command and paste the command over here, and it will install all the dependencies that you need. Here you can see now it starts installing all the dependencies that it needs for this AI agent. So it will take some time. So once it has installed, it will give you the setup page. So this is the Hermes setup page. It has installed all the dependencies that it has needed. So either we can go for the quick setup or we can go for the full setup. So I'm going to go with the quick setup as well. So just type 1. Then it will ask us to choose the model provider. Either you can go with this OpenRouter way, or since this Hermes AI agent is developed by the Novus Research, but they also have the free version. The problem with their free subscription is that they are asking the debit card or credit card. You will have to submit your information to get the free trial. So I don't recommend you to select this option, first option. So I recommend you to select this OpenRouter way. So here we need to provide the OpenRouter API key. So what I will do is I will open up a new tab and type OpenRouter. So let me open up this website here. I have already logged in. So make sure you log in using your credentials. So once you log in, go to preferences and click on API key. So I have already created many API keys. I don't want to create another API key. If you want to create a new API key, you can create by click on new key. So I will use my old key. You consider I have a API key over here. So let me copy the API key from my notepad and paste the API key over here and press enter. Then it will ask you to select the model. All these top ones are paid ones. If you want to select the free one, so if you scroll down from the NVIDIA, they are providing the Nematron model, which is free. I'm going to select that one. Then I'm going to select the terminal backend, the default one. I'm going to keep the current one, that is the default. So just select that. Then we need to select the messaging platform. So what platform that we're going to select? So in the previous video, I have already made a video about Telegram. So in this video, I'm going to go with this WhatsApp one. So let me select that one and I'm going to press enter. So how will you use WhatsApp with Hermes? Either you can have a separate bot number or you can use your personal number. So I don't have any separate number. I will use my personal mobile number only. So just type 2. So then you need to enter up your phone number. So let me enter the phone number here now. So once you have entered the phone number, then it is installing the WhatsApp bridge connection. So what you need to do is it will show you the QR code after this installation. So you need to open up your mobile phone and scan this QR code from your mobile phone. You consider we got this QR code here. So let me maximize this terminal now. Open up your WhatsApp, and what you need to do is just click on the three icon and select link a device and select link a device and copy the QR code that is showing on the terminal. So let me scan this QR code. You can see now the WhatsApp has been successfully completed. The pairing completed and credentials has been saved. Then what you can do is you can restart the gateway. So for that, just press Y over here and press enter. You consider it is restarting the gateway. It is waiting for a gateway runtime. Now the setup has been completed. We are good to go. So to make sure that the gateway has been installed, you consider it is asking, would you like to install a gateway as a background service? Yes, press Y. To make sure that the Hermes gateway has been installed, just type Hermes gateway install and press Y here, and let me press Y here again. You can say it has been installed and the user service has been started. So you can also confirm by typing Hermes gateway start. you consider the service has been started. Then what you can do is you can open up your WhatsApp now. So let me open up the WhatsApp and you can reply to yourself. You can say this is the reply that I have taught on the OpenCloud tutorial. If you haven't watched the OpenCloud tutorials, I will provide the playlist link in the description. You can check it out. So what I will do is I will delete this chat now and I will firstly start this one. So this is my number that I have provided. So let me type hi. You consider no phone channel is set for WhatsApp. Your phone channel is where Hermes deliver cron job result. So I'm gonna just type /set home and we got the reply as well for hi message. Hi, I'm Hermes Agent. And you consider the phone channel has been set. Then I'm gonna give detailed instruction about myself. So this is the first thing you do when you set up the Hermes, because the power of Hermes Agent comes at the numeric context. So you'll have to detailedly explain about yourself. So this is the detailed instruction about myself, about what I'm doing at YouTube, and this is the Hermes Agent will add this as say a memory. So while it is generating, you can go to the Hermes website and here you can see it remembers what it learns and it gets more capable the longer it runs. So this is where the power of this Hermes Agent comes. You can also check out the docs here. And if you go to the features, there are many features available. And the cool feature is that you can also interact with this by voice chat as well. You can send voice message as well. I will show you in the later part of this video. And we got the response as well. Hey Kumaresan, great to meet you. I really appreciate your practical builder first mindset. And you can see that. And blah blah blah, it gave some random things here. So currently it is asking what project you are working on. So recently I am working on an AI commit generator using Python. So it is asking what specific aspect of the AI commit. So I'm gonna say git AI commit generator using Python. And you consider which LLM or API do you plan to use for generating commit messages. So it is providing OpenAI API, Anthropic, Ollama, Hugging Face. So I'm gonna reply this from the mobile phone, because you can also reply this from the mobile phone as well. So I will show you how to do that. So open up your mobile and reply yourself. So I am using the Gemini API and we got the response as well. You can see that it gave me the detailed instruction on how to create the AI commit generator using Gemini API for GitHub, and it gave me all the code that we need. So yeah. So now if I ask, do you remember who am I? It says, yes, I remember you, you are Kumaresan. It gives you all the memory context that you have earlier shared. So this is the power of using this Hermes AI agent. I earlier tell it right, you can also interact with this Hermes AI agent by voice chat. You consider I am sending a voice message here and I got the response as well. Hey, yes, I received your voice message and a reply for the voice message that we have sent. So yeah, this is how you set up the Hermes AI agent for WhatsApp. So I have already made a video about how to set up this for Telegram, and this video is about WhatsApp. In the next video, so make sure you what video you want. I will try to make video on those. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.